Hi, it's Katie from the Quilter's Trunk in Chicago, and it is finally spring, and it is time for spring cleaning. So we are having our floor model sale. So now through April 18th, all of our floor model, Baby Lock and Bernina, sewing, quilting, embroidery machines, and sergers are on sale. Why should you consider a floor model? Well, all of our floor models come with a full manufacturer's warranty, and our factory trained technician John will tune them up before you take them home. So all these floor models are available at great prices during this floor model sale. And we do take trade-ins and have some great financing options. And speaking of trade-ins, we have a wonderful collection of pre-owned machines that we've taken on trade that are also available at great prices. They've all been tuned up and they're ready to go. And right after our floor model sale ends, Bernina is starting their Many Happy Returns sale. So from April 18th to April 30th, you can get a brand new Bernina for 20% off MSRP. So we look forward to seeing you at the trunk.